Alright, in this video I want to show you how to replace the batteries on your Schlage FE595 or FE575 Keypad deadbolt. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to go to the interior assembly. Okay, so right here. Okay, and now I want to remove this cover, but first we need to take off some screws. So here. Okay, so you can pull this out. Okay, so you can see the battery right here. You can see this log uses 19V battery. So you want to disconnect the battery this way. Okay, now you can remove the battery. Okay, now you can get your new battery in. So this way, get it in. Now get the connector and connect it. Make sure you connect it firmly. Okay, so that's it. So let's get the cover back. Okay, so let's get the screws in. Okay, so that's it. Okay. Okay, so you can now use your lock. Okay, so that's how to replace the batteries on your Schlage keypad lock. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.